Welcome back, everyone. We've got a beautiful evening in progress here in Central Texas. Started out cloudy, a little misty at times today, but we cleared out sunshine late this afternoon, and we're looking at a beautiful evening now across Central Texas. Live look from our Bob Mills Furniture Skyline weather camera here in Temple. I mentioned earlier about the way that you can volunteer and help out the evacuees up from the coast into our area right now. And as Leslie said, we have 4 shelters in Bell County right now with several hundred evacuees. Salvation Army is cooking hot meals for these folks. They just need help getting them from the Salvation Army kitchens to these various shelters. And if you'd like to volunteer, be a driver, take these meals from the kitchens to the shelters, go to the Salvation Army in the morning, 1302 South 53rd Street, or give them a call. I'll give you that number again at the end of the newscast, but it's 254-339-8601 to be a volunteer driver. Afternoon high temperatures today, back up into the 80s with a little bit of sunshine. We saw it get up to 81 today in Groesbeck. Our thanks to Debbie Fulmer for her report. In Salado, Tom Breeden saw 87 degrees this afternoon for one of the warmer readings, topped by Lampas's reading of 90 degrees at Joe Spivey's house. We thank our weather watchers again. Tonight you're looking at generally fair skies out to the west, skies improving in conditions back to the east, and the rain is coming to an end along the I-45 corridor. Temperatures in most cases in the mid to low 70s. You're looking at 72 degrees right now in Temple and in Waco, 75 in Gatesville, 73 in Killeen right now. Anticipate a low tonight in the upper 60s. They're going to call it about 69 first thing in the morning with partly cloudy skies, mild conditions, northeast winds around 5 miles an hour this evening. I think our rain chances for tonight are pretty much over with, but tomorrow, 20% chance of a shower. There's a lot of tropical moisture in place, and once we start heating that atmosphere, it becomes a little unstable, so about 20% chance of showers. 84 degrees, kind of breezy with those winds still coming around that storm out of the northeast, 15 to 20, 25 miles an hour at times tomorrow. Storm is sitting there along the Gulf Coast. It's pushing its way back towards Houston, likely to make landfall probably between Anahuac and Winnie, push its way on back up into deep East Texas and then over into Louisiana and moving away from us. And as it does move away, the atmosphere is going to dry out for us. Here's your Channel 6 7-day forecast where your weekend's always in view. Once again, want to push that water drive. You can make your donations of a case of water or 6-pack of water here at our studios during regular business hours. We're in downtown Temple now. Come by and see us. We got a big weekend coming up. Once again, it is the Central Texas State Fair Rodeo out of the Expo Center in Belton. And of course, Friday night, high school football begins. Friday night lights. Might have a spotty shower in the afternoon, but all in all, looks like it's going to be a good weekend for high school football.
That's great temperature for it, too.
I'm telling you. And we'll have that number again if you want to volunteer to help out the Salvation Army. It's coming up a little later in the news.
All right, Andy, thank you very much.